For this assignment, you will be researching the energy sources being used in the county or city of your choice. I used the U.S. Energy Mapping System to take a close look at the Nacogdoches County. The only layers I included in my map were all power plants and oil/gas refining and processing. So let me show you that. Okay, so if you look over here, I also included county boundary, which you don't have to do. It's just easier to see. As you look around the area, look for important pieces of information. So let me show you some stuff. Okay, so this is the area that we're going to be looking in, and I actually found something really cool. Well, not exactly cool, it's kind of sad actually. So if you look right up here, we have this area within Nacogdoches that says landfill, okay? And if you look at the measurement down here, you will see that that landfill is nearly a mile wide. Okay, so that's some of the things that you can find while you're looking around researching on this map. I want you to research your area for usable information, like the landfill, but also like renewable resources that may not be getting used. You will be compiling your information together to prepare to create an informative video on TikTok explaining what information you found and what you would like to see the city begin using to produce energy based on what they have available to them. Include all information links in the description. So I included this link in my description, but I also included this link, okay, because this is all about Nacogdoches and their natural resources. Notice this one's ORG, this one is .gov, so these are credible sources, okay. Let's take a look at the video I created. Mine is about a minute long. Here's the TikTok I created. Notice I made mine 1 minute long to give people plenty of time to read the information. You can make yours however you want. Just be creative. There are many different creative settings in TikTok, so play around with it. I hope this explains the assignment, and I can't wait to see what you create. Notice I have some movement going on. I included all of my information. You can have as much or as little as you want, okay? Just make sure that it's viewable by everyone, and I can't wait to see what you create.